Hey, today we have a Breville 900 XL that was brought to us by Kelly. Issues with this machine were a bad pump, so we replaced the pump along with actually replacing the solenoid valve. So once we had those done and out the way, we gave it a nice shine and should be working good as new. So let's pull a shot and see how it looks. Espresso might be a bit too fine for this shot, but nonetheless, yeah, for this is too fine of a shot, so I'd recommend a coarser grind. But nonetheless, flow is good, nice coloration, crema is still there, and machine is working good as new. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more of our videos, share us on Facebook or YouTube, and yeah, we'll see you later. Take care.